इनबॉर्न टैलेंट होता है, अपना अंदरूनी टैलेंट होता है जो एक्सपोज नहीं कर पाते, उनको प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ हद तक कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि उनके मन जो अंदर जो टैलेंट है वो बाहर आए। तनिष आज नहीं, पिछले कुछ सालों से इसे करते आ रहा है। एंड कुछ कुछ इवेंट में हम लोग बहुत सारा, मैं आज सबके सामने एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि तनिष की तरफ से बहुत बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन के लिए कॉल जाता है। कुछ कस्टमर हमारे पास आते हैं सेलिब्रेशन के लिए, और मेरा गुजारिश यही है कि जब भी स्टोर से कोई टीम मेंबर आपको कॉल करता है तो सेलिब्रेशन के लिए प्लीज़ कोऑपरेट करिए, आप आइए तनिष में। एंड चेरिश योर डे, आप घर में आप बनाते हो, सेलिब्रेशन करते हो, बट एक ब्रांड के साथ, तनिष के साथ सेलिब्रेशन करने का मजा कुछ अलग होता है।
This is Prakash, and I'm store manager of Tanish Jharsuguda. So in Jharsuguda, I've already represented the Tanish brand last since 5 years, and just recently we have relocated this showroom, and earlier it was in Behramal. So definitely you can see that store are very bigger and spacious, and according to that, and customer footfall, everything is fine, and customer also feeling very happy about it, and they are very comfortable coming here. As Tanish is a Tata brand, everybody knows that Tata is trusted for its fine jewelry and fine craftsmanship and quality as well. Definitely, there is no doubt about it. And apart from this, we have a lot of collections in wedding segment, in daily wear segment. Like wedding segment, you can find the bangle collection, which is named as Kalai, and Riva as a wedding jewelry brand. And we have also the everyday wear earrings stoning every year, and we have also stringed collection for the working women, and we have also regular collections like finger ring, and comes in an Avid collection, which is a very precious collection of Tanish brand. And we have also chain is there, and the pendant is there, and whatever the requirement of a Indian woman, everything is well arranged here. And obviously you can say the design and everything is fine. If I'll say that my design is fine, there will be no meaning. But if customer coming here and they're feeling very, the hospitality and everything is extraordinary. And if you say Tanish, which is very well known for its customer service, and we have already trying to, and it's being a pioneer to provide the premium service to our customer throughout the country and abroad also. And we are always elevating the customer on parallel experience actually. So this is actually things, actually we are just employee and just representing our brand, and just you can say I'm the ambassador of the brand. We are trying to engage our customer in different activities and all across the year, whichever the occasion is falling. So as Indians, as a Odia, Bengalian, there are different communities there to celebrate all across. So for this particular event, we thought as a team, obviously, so to create some different different experience, because as customer, children are also equally important for us. The whole idea about the gathering is to meet one-to-one, interact one-to-one, and try to understand their point of view, customer point of view, and their point of view towards the brand, towards the store team, and all kinds of things. Not only the brand perspective, but it is a personal perspective also. So it's a plan actually. So we have planned to make this event together, and me and my entire team is creating this innovative, and for which we actually got success to gather this event, and people are enjoying it. So you can see that. So there are two big events in a year. So one is pre-DT event for the big day, Diwali and Dhanteras, and one more event for the Akshaya Tritiya, which is very auspicious day for the jewelry industry, right? So that is the things, and apart from that, another two event is being conducted in Tanish, that is for the Festival of Diamond. So Festival of Diamond basically falls in the month of Jan. So we are just trying to doing another one event for the Diamond Awareness Session, and another event will plan for the FOD is July to September.
Hello, तो हमारे साथ है दो छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी के जो आए हैं यहाँ ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में। तो मुझे बताइए आपका नाम क्या है?
आहिल खान।
आपका नाम क्या है?
आयाना हुसैन।
नाइस। तो आयाना व्हाट इज योर जॉब टुडे?
सेफ्टी सेवर।
नाइस। आपको पता है कब कहाँ आए हैं आज?
तनिष।
अरे वाह, you are very smart. Akhil, what did you draw today?
Safety, safe life.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, nice. So where have you come today?
तनिष।
Good evening, Kajal.
Good evening.
आप यहाँ तनिष्क आए हैं अपनी बेटी के साथ कंपटीशन है, तो आप ये बताइए कि आपको ये कंपटीशन के बारे में पता कैसे चला?
स्कूल वाले क्लास टीचर हैं, उन्होंने मैसेज किया था तनिष में ऐसे रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हैं ड्राइंग कंपटीशन। तो हमने पहले तो सोचा कि नहीं आएंगे, फिर बोले कि चलते हैं बच्ची को लेके, थोड़ा उसको भी मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, तो इसलिए हम आ गए।
तो आप पहले तनिष्क आ चुकी हैं या पहले?
हाँ, नहीं मैं आ चुकी हूँ, 2-3 ज्वेलरी भी ली हूँ, तो जानती हूँ अच्छी है, ठीक ठाक मिलता है, यहाँ पे अच्छी सामान भी मिलती है।
तो आपने क्या लिया है यहाँ से?
मैंने ये एक छोटा सा नेकलेस लिया, यहाँ पे वो स्कीम करवाए थे हम, तो ये होता है मंथली में कुछ देने का, तो ये आप उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि कैसे देंगे आप, 5,000 देंगे, 10,000 देंगे, वो आपके ऊपर 20,000, वो आपके बजट के हिसाब से होता है। शायद 2,000 से स्टार्टिंग है यहाँ पे, उस टाइम अभी नहीं मालूम क्या है, उस टाइम मैं 2,000 से स्टार्ट था, मैंने 5,000 वाला दिया था, वो मेरा मेच्योरिटी हो गया था, तो मैंने वहाँ फिर इससे मैंने कुछ अनके उस पर कुछ पैसे फिर इसमें ऐड करके तो कुछ हमने उसके सामान लिया था। उसमें कुछ इंटरेस्ट भी मिलता है, 7.5 समथिंग मिलता है, आई थिंक 7.5, मुझे इतना नहीं सही से पता है, तो इसमें इंटरेस्ट भी मिलता है।
The most beautiful part about this is like, see, we know what is jewelry. Jewelry means women, and the best part here, what to know is, like, Tanish is not limited to women. It is asking the children to come. The males have even come.
Yeah.
So it is completely a community here, which I can see the people are interacting. The staff is even doing a very good job on their part. The management wise, even I really trying. They are trying hard to provide what
Yes.
Yes, they are trying their level best to do things. So I'm really happy with it, and I'm looking forward to many such events getting organized here. I'm happy to be here, and thank you, Prakash, for doing this.